Okay. Okay, what do you folks know about isosceles triangles? Yep, for the most part they are acute. What else do we know? Two matching sides. So remember we always mark those with those little tick marks. And we actually call those sides the legs. So those two sides are called the legs. So they're the same. And then the side that's not congruent is typically the bottom. We call the base. It's the base of our triangle, the bottom. And then we actually have names for our angles. The ones that are down on the base are actually called base angles. This one over here is a base angle. And what's nice is our base angles are the same measure. So if this one's, let's say, I don't know, 50 degrees, so is this one. They're the same. And the last thing is this top angle up here is the vertex angle. Okay, and there's not a lot to say about an equilateral triangle, but what do we know about it? All three sides are the same. Yep, so we can put tick marks on all three sides. And then since all three sides are the same, what do we know about our angles? They're all the same, right? So if they're all the same measure, do you guys know what they have to equal? 180. Yep. So we're going to have our 180 and divide it equally 3 times. You guys know what that is? 60. So no matter what, your angles are always going to equal 60 degrees in an equilateral. Always, no matter what size your legs are. They're always 60 degrees. And now we're just going to practice finding variables with these kinds of triangles. So if you flip the page, so step 1 says decide if it's isosceles or equilateral. That's pretty easy. And then find the value of the variable. So number 1, is it isosceles or equilateral?
Isosceles.
Yeah, so we have 2 the same, so it's isosceles.
And wouldn't it be 9? Is it the same?
Yeah, these are the same, right? So if this is 9, so is y. Okay, number 2. What do you guys think? Isosceles or equilateral?
Isosceles.
Isosceles, yep.
12.
It is 12. How did you find that out?
12 plus 4 is 16.
Yeah, these need to be equal, right? So I can write 16 equals y plus 4. Get y by itself, so subtract 4. Okay, what about number 3? What kind of a triangle is that one? Isosceles. Yep. Yeah, those are our base angles, right? So if this one's 50, y is 50. Don't overcomplicate it. That's it. Equilateral, because we have all three sides the same. Okay, what did we say the angles always have to equal? So I'm gonna write 6x equal to
10.
20. They're all 16 here, right? So I can write 6x equal to 60, since I know it has to equal 60. And then Michael's right, you divide by 6 and we do get 10. Yep, okay, you guys get a head start on these two, and then I will slowly put what I think on the board. So this one's not talking about angles, right? What's that?
It's not a part of it?
Nope.
Oh.
Nope. So this one's equilateral. And we know all of our sides are the same, and we know the same means they're equal, so all you have to do is set 3x equal to 2x plus 10, and then just solve for x. Did I mess up?
Yeah,
Did you mess up? Oh, so the 60s for the angles, but the sides just set them equal to each other. Minus 2x from both sides.
Then can we start on the green one?
Yep, I'll tell you, we're not doing like hardly any of it though, so I'll tell you which ones to do. Are you guys okay with 10? Okay, perfect. Okay, on the green one in your packet,